Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can turn off pet feature on emo. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that matter, first of all you have to do is access your emo app on your mobile phone, and right over here you will find this kind of interface, right? And in the bottom section you can see we do have our pet option enabled. You will be able to see in the bottom right section. Right now, right over here, simply go ahead, tap on your profile icon on top left. Upon doing that, you will access this kind of interface, including this option of settings right over here. Go ahead, tap on it. Now from the settings you have to tap on this option of functions. This will simply let you have all of these settings in the function section. You can see voice club on top, explore, and you can see emo pet section in the bottom section. Over here, all you have to do is simply turn off this overall feature toggle. Simply turn this off. Once it turns gray, that means it's off. And once you have done so, you're going to find this kind of interface. Once the overall feature is closed, you will have all the other functions as well also be turned off. Now all you gotta do is go back to your chat, and right over here you can see we do not have that emo pet icon anymore in our bottom right, and that is how you can simply close or turn off it. So that is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.